Here it is, tornado's about to come. Hail is coming down hard, filling up the house. Look at those big sizes. Here comes the wind. Holy crap. Look at that wind coming.